Hi guys, good morning, good morning. Okay guys, we are talking about what others are seeing about EasyFi. So what is EasyFi? About EasyFi, EasyFi means a strong future international marketing group was launched in 1998, starting with just one product sold only in the United States. EasyFi has now grown to more than 7,900 products and services and growing daily, sold in more than 190 countries around the world. So ito po yung SFI guys, yung company na ang headquarters na bilong po sa Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska. Sa USA po ito guys. So EasyFi Strong Future International Marketing Group was created to allow anyone with a computer or internet access the opportunity to tap into the worldwide e-commerce revolution. Anyone of legal age in his or her country can become an SFI affiliate for free by filing out an online registration form. There is no obligation or purchase requirements of any kind. Once registered, if you want to register or if you finish registered, affiliates are provided with professional websites for marketing SFI's products on the internet. SFI also provides all necessary self-support services such as customer service, payment processing, and product shipment, all at no cost to the affiliate. For each sale generated, SFI pays the repairing affiliate commission. Additional commission can be earned by building and leading affiliate groups. So, ito po guys, ito si Sir Jerry Carlson. He is a SFI president. The company leadership. So that is SFI president and CEO and founder of SFI S. Jerry Carson from 1985 to 1998. Jerry was the top marketer and record breaking distributor for several direct sales companies and a successful business magazine publisher. Known for his innovation, Jerry has been a pioneering force in the direct mail and internet marketing industries for more than 2 decades. His extraordinary achievements as an entrepreneur have been spotlighted in Moneymakers Monthly, Upline, Opportunity World Magazine, and in numerous books and videos. National recognition has also included being named to 1992's Outstanding Young Men of America list and 1997 Who's Who in the Media and Communication. So in 1998, so Jerry set out to put up dent in the universe by creating SFI. So SFI is from Future International Marketing Group, a groundbreaking program that would utilize the internet to empower and enrich the lives of millions of people around the world. Today, with 2,998 new affiliates joining in the last week alone, Isify is one of the fastest growing companies of its kind in the world, and it's well on its way to achieving Jerry's version. So Isify having a store, TripoClicks. So the store is TripoClicks. So we back here what others are saying about ACFI. So, show and testimonial from all the countries. So, meron po mga testimonial all the countries. He said, I have tried many other marketing programs out there, but by far ACFI is the best. I having so much fun making money. I encourage everyone to just give SFI a try. You won't regret it. So, si Ma'am Aurelia Pompi from Aruba country. So, there are so many countries or testimonial here about ECFI. Like for example, from Kenya country, Shadrach Aber. So I spent close to 2 years and lost some money researching for real money, making online business, but it was not until I came across ECFI that I truly saw some light. ECFI is credible in terms of joining terms, online training, offered simplicity, professionalism, online support 24/7, and much and well-coordinated IT system. In a nutshell, Isipay is the ultimate online business and can truly offer financial freedom. So, from Kenya. So, about more info, learn more about Isipay. This is one. The stop dreaming, internet income is real. If you want to sign up here, click sign up below. Or there are many reasons why they love SFI. So try it now, no obligation. If you want or interested to sign up, click this one. Should kindly fill up the form. This your name, last name, country, password, and email address, and click this get started earning money with SFI. So uh, there are so many person here inside the ACFI for becoming an affiliate member. So after this, if you want, try it now. Try it free now. So sign up for a free, no obligation ACFI affiliate account registered here. So you want to register, kindly affiliate registration. Learn about ACFI. What is this? Like this, and then register for your free SFI affiliate account now. No obligation, receive immediate access to a complete SFI program and start earning today. So first name, kindly put in your first name, last name, email address, password, confirm address, a password, and then your country, what your country that you are living now, and then click this I want to start earning money. So back this, we are so 14,607 people have submitted testimonial about their love for EasyFi. So also 363,464 people follow EasyFi on Facebook, and 129,282 people follow on us on Twitter. So, who's joining Isipay right now? Kindly, this one new is enrollments. So, if you are interested, guys, kindly sign sign up here. Uh, try it free now. Registered here. If you want or interested now, and then if you want to for more information about this EasyFi, kindly click this learn more information. By the way, guys, I will be putting the affiliate link or link inside my description, and also my comment section. I will be putting pin post because you will be automatically you are going to main page like this or like this. You can be registered automatically in the main page of SFI if you are interested to making money online, even if you are stay at home like me, guys. So kindly try it now. So because SFI, as what I said, SFI was launched 1998 until now. So this is a legit company, SFI, and from the company headquarters is from Nebraska, USA. So guys, that it is all about to my video on what others are seeing about SFI. So again, if you are interested, kindly read inside my description. I will be putting all the information about SFI, and click of that link and you will be automatically the main page of SFI if you want interested to register as an affiliate member. So thank you very much once again. If you are not subscribe again, for subscribers, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and paki-click na lang po yung notification para maka-notify kayo kung ano mo yung mga video ko na ina-upload na bago. So, thank you very much and once again, bye!